Red 2-5Z, Cleveland Word from the Educational Channel. As you can see right now, I have 3C in my hands. She was doing less striking within the past month, but she did just finish the third shed. Now it's time for her to start back eating. Remember the guidelines. The guidelines are caretaking, feeding, filtration, maintenance. Maintenance is one thing you must do. You have to do that, okay? Give a thumbs up and subscribe if you like the education channel, bring you contents, videos, mainly an education channel for your fishes, animals, and pets. 3C right here is looking at the red-tailed catfish. So far she hasn't struck me. South Central America boa constrictor sunglow. Got a nice head, halfway head stamp. See the head stamp right here? Let me see if I can get you that. Head stamp. Jungle type gene. Can I get you the head stamp? She got reduced saddles. She an orangey type color. They got one of her connecting saddles. The third one and the ninth one. Always do the right things for your fishes, pets, and animals, okay? Stay tuned for more updates. The videos there are coming your way, okay? This is an educational channel. Red 2-5Z. Red 2-5Z and her family also. Consisting of 3C, the sunglow, South Central America, boa constrictor female, 1.5 years old, 2.5 feet long. Also got a North American snapping turtle over there, Joe 2. Got him when he was 15 inches, he's 18 inches now. It's all about caretaking, maintenance, feeding. The main thing is maintenance. And Red 2, the red-tailed catfish, she is now 12 inches. And Blossom, the albino pleco. We have some more assorted fishes like black picassus, a 10-inch, 5.5-inch. The red beta named Ruby was just named about 5 days ago. Oh, look at you looking at me for. Oh, don't do that. Okay, I'll keep you turning around this way. See if you keep your eyes on the red-tailed catfish. Maintenance is a must thing. That's a must thing you must do. No ifs and buts about it. Filtration, you got to have that. Filtration helps your fish tanks out. It helps reduce water changes, ammonia, and nitrates. Okay, make sure you check up on that. And of course, for your reptile lovers, always keep the temperature, humidity correct. It's winter time now, so you got to have the heat on. You got to have your heater. Hot side, cold side, okay? The procedures are those right there. Are you doing the procedure? Ask yourself. If you're doing the procedure and the techniques, do this right here. Give yourself a thumbs up. Bam. Then press the subscribe button. Thanks to you all for watching this segment on Sunday, which I do Sundays and Thursdays. I might add another date to it. Stay tuned for more updates. They're coming your way. Always do the right thing for your fishes, pets, animals. Caretaking, feeding, filtration, that's the main thing. Maintenance is a must. Okay? I'm gonna give you a little tap of red tube right here as long as I keep her in the back of this. Let's see where we at. Red tube. Red-tailed catfish. Had her when she was like 4 months. I guess she was about 4 months and 4 inches. Now she's 12 inches now. The guidelines are caretaking, feedings, filtration, maintenance is a must. You have to do it. It don't cost you anything. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for the channel Red 2-5Z. What it would do, it would help the channel. It would give the channel a huge, huge, huge boost. Okay? Again, thank you all for watching Red 2-5Z. And I'm still working with 3C. She's not striking no more. Red 2-5Z. Cleveland Word. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. We are out. Thank you. Yes, in